What is Eid al-Fitr?
Eid al-Fitr is a festival celebrated by Muslims all over the world. It is at the end of the holy month of Ramadan, the month of fasting. Eid al-Fitr means the feast of the breaking of the fast, and it is a reward for all the fasts and good deeds we have done during the month of Ramadan. Muslims will take a bath and put on new or clean clothes. They will come together to share food and also give to charity. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, would eat dates in the morning before the Eid prayer. Some people will take one route on the way to the mosque or place of Eid prayer and return another way, as this was the practice of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The Eid prayer is 2 rakahs. In the first rakah, we say Allahu Akbar 7 times, and in the second one, 5 times. Then we listen to an Eid sermon before greeting everyone, Eid Mubarak. Anna has a question.